Hello. Today is 15th of October, Wednesday, 2025. Back to a live stream, our second live stream. Uh, so, we didn't come live on Monday and Tuesday because they were not so good trades, right? So, today we are actually holding four positions as of now, right? So, let me give you an update on what position we are holding currently, right? We are currently on a sell on Euro USD. We are on a buy on USD JPY. Uh, we are on a sell on GBP USD as well, right? And we closed sell trade of gold, right? XAUUSD. We are in a buy trade. This is a long-term trade. We're in a buy trade of US oil as well, right? So SL is around here, 57.006. And we entered here, right? So we holding the US world trade all the way up to 61.550, right? So it's the 4 hour chart. Mm, If we go back to USD JPY, right? So it's currently bullish, a good trade going on, right? Euro USD good trade. We closed a few trades today. Today, GBP JPY, we had another trade. We closed. We couldn't come live at the time. Right. We closed a beautiful trade in GBP USD for around 1 is to 2.1 is to 2. Currently, the GBP USD trade is in break even. USD JPY is in profit, and Euro USD is also in a good profit. Right. All right. So what I can do is I can show you the profit statement and everything, right? Today's profit statement at the end, somewhere in between, right? So let's see what all the markets are doing. देखते हैं DXY क्या कर रहा है, right? So DXY, if we look here, right, we caught a beautiful uptrade in DXY. So that's why the reason behind all the USD trades today, right? So we are hoping for a good bullish run for DXY, right? We have some obstacles on the way, right? We have some obstacles on the way which we're gonna look into it, right? What kind of reaction we get from certain obstacles in the market, right? So as you know, the recent scenario, what's going on, right? Israel and Hamas, that was a very good news for everyone, right? The hostage release for Israel and Hamas, between Israel and Hamas, was really well. Other fundamental news, Mr. Kowalski, right? Mr. Kowalski will come in the picture. Mr. Sahi will come in the picture to give you the overall update of the fundamentals in some amount of time, right? Till then, we are in 3 current trades, right? 4 current trades: Euro USD in a sell, GBP USD in a sell, USD JPY in a buy, and US oil in a buy as well, right? So as it goes, see whatever TP that you see, right? Whatever TP that you see here that we put in the market, right? That's the ultimate TP, right? That's the ultimate. Like if you look into Euro USD, right? You can have a look here that our ultimate TP is down here, right? It's 1.5555, right? But what we do is we analyze the market continuously to understand what the market is doing, and if there is any kind of rejections in the market, right? If there is any kind of rejections or any news that's coming up, right? So at that point of time, we'll have to take a decision, either break even or either close the trade in profit or close the trade in loss as well. So basically, there is only 3 things that you can do in a market, right? You can either take a small loss, right? Take a big win, or take a small win. You should never go for big losses in a market. You should not hold on to your losses. If you are in a loss, right, and you see the market is not changing in your favor, right, this is the all the confirmation that you get is not changing in your favor. Right? Close the trade in a small loss. Right? Don't hold on to the big losses. Right? You need to close the big losses. So this is what is happening currently. So we're pretty new, so we have very less viewers, right? If you have any questions, you can comment. You can explain the concepts. We do post a lot of videos. You know, trying to post as much videos as we can for different explanations. Right? We're going to do a series of videos where we're explaining the different stages of market. Right? Different terminology that is used in the market. Right? To tell you the fact, there are lots of different knowledge that you can find in YouTube and all the other platforms as well. Right? Uh, but it depends upon what kind of a trader you are, right? What kind of a trader you are, what strategy would suit you. Not not everything is made for everyone, right? You will need to find your niche. You will need to find your own edge to trade in the market. So yeah, the trades are going good. It's more like if I see something we can close the trades. Yes, we do have a Telegram channel as well, right, where we give you regular updates on the market. Right? We give you regular market updates. We give you regular analysis that we have. Right? So अभी जैसे मैं बोलूँगा तो फिर this is our analysis. This is our analysis, our paper trades. Right? We don't suggest anyone to take these trades. Right? It's upon your discretion. आपको कैसे trade लेना है. Right? We're just giving our analysis. Right? We love sharing our analysis. That is what we're doing at FX Trading Hub. Right? We make sure that we give you the overall fundamentals of the market every day. Right? We try to give you the overall fundamentals of the market every day. Any news, any new developments that's happening in this world. Right? So we want to give good educational content rather than just giving you signals. Trade from this, trade from that. We're not into it. Right? We in a week we hardly take around 3 to 4 or 5 trades in a week, right? And that too with proper confirmation, right? The alignment of fundamentals and technicals as well. That is how we take a trade. We are not scalpers, by the way. We don't scalp, right? We never scalp the market. Oh, gold is going back. This level, see, trading gold right now is like going blind, right? Going blind in the dark. Anything can happen. Right? Going downhill or uphill without going uphill without acceleration and going downhill without brakes. Anything can happen in gold. You just need to wait for perfect levels, perfect reactions, and then you can trade gold. And gold currently is like it's at an all-time high, right? There is a lot of fear in the market. There's a lot of FOMO in the market. So we currently not touching gold. We just got 2 trades. Like today we got a beautiful trade on gold, right? And the last gold trade we took was on Friday. Right? The last gold trade we took was on Friday. It was a beautiful trade as well. Right? We break even a trade. Although I closed this trade somewhere after taking an entry, we were in good profit, like 1:1 or somewhere. I closed the live stream. Right? This was a beautiful trade, right? So after Friday, today we got a beautiful 7 on board, right? That's it. It goes on in the market. Patience is the key. So wait a second. So what do we really see in witness? Right? So my weekly update, my daily witness update, right? Uh, so we what do we expect basically in witness is the first real breakout of the overall week, right? Or we expect a continuation of weekly bias that's going on, right? So all our trades needs to be executed in sync with higher time frames. Right? We never go into 1 minute to look for trades. Right? The minimum time frame that we go to look for a trades is 15 minutes. Right? After the analysis of weekly, weekly, and 4 hour analysis, we move to 15 minutes for our entry time frame. Our entry time frame is 15 minutes. And it takes a lot of patience. Trading is a patient game, right? It takes a lot of patience to come out profitable in the long run in trading. Yeah, so what else? What do we have? The trade are running well, we're already up, right? Let's hold and watch for some time, right? So USD JPY is doing well, USD is doing a little bit worried about GBP USD, right? GBP USD seems to have a lot of strength today, right? We might break even our GBP USD trade. All right. It's a beautiful drop, Euro USD. Right. This is our first TP level. USD JPY is also doing really well. Right. Look at GBP USD. Okay. Moving towards a break even. GBP USD is looking very stagnant as of now. Right. So I think we'll be closing the GBP USD at break even. Or a negative profit. We'll just wait. So DXY is shooting up. That's a good indication, right? Yeah, USD JPY is doing very well. We're moving towards a target. High chances. Target. Mm, Euro USD also showing as a beautiful fall in the market, right? GBP USD moving towards a break even. we do have an obstacle here, right? For DXY to have that more bullish run, right? We do have an obstacle here. DXY has to close a 5 minutes candle, has to close above this obstacle, right? Or if it closes somewhere below the previous day open, right? We're going to close all our trades. Eagerly waiting for the 5 minutes candle to close above our obstacle, right? Or else we have to close the trade if we have a closer of 5 minutes in DXY below the previous day open. It can, the market can do anything. It can do this, do this, do this, right? Until and unless I have a closer to 5 minute candle above here or below here, I'm not touching the trade, right? If the candle 5 minute candle closes below or previous day open, right, we're closing all our trades. Whether it be break even, uh, whether it be in profit, whether it be loss, small loss, right? We are closing all our trades. If it closes above this, that's fine. And we're gonna move up. The prices are gonna move up, right? But if it closes below the previous day open, what do we expect? We expect all our trades, we either break even or small loss. We are not taking a big loss. Right? So in between here, the market can do anything. Anything it wants to do inside the OB and PO. Previous day open and any obstruction that we have up on the upside, it can do anything here. Until unless it closes below. If it closes below this PO, it can move, it can give a wick. That's not a problem. Right? If it closes below the previous day open, we are closing all our trades. USD, GBP USD, right? USD JPY, we're closing all our trades. If it closes above here, we're going to bring all our trades to break even and leave it for the long run. Alright, so let's see what USD JPY is currently doing. It's fine, it's fine. So to understand the context of USD JPY trade, you'll have to look at JPY. Right? Look here. Right? JPY is bearish as of now. It took the liquidity that it had. Bearish as of now. And one level where I see it can reject is this level. Let me put in a amount here. So better do this in 15 minutes. So JPY is bearish as of now. Right? It grabbed the overall liquidity, right? And it's moving towards our target level. And that's why we are holding on to the trade of USD JPY. Right? DXY is also currently bullish for me. Okay? That's the reason why USD JPY trade. USD is bullish, JPY is bearish. That's the reason why we are bullish on USD JPY. So Euro USD trade is a beautiful trade going on. Let me share with you a screenshot. The current position is 11. So if I show you the current position we are holding, that's our profit loss currently. We are on a live trade with you guys. Euro USD is almost hitting our first TP. We're gonna close half of the position there, and we're gonna bring our trades to break even, and then I'm gonna hold the trades. GBP USD, I think we're closing on break even. I'll wait for this 15-minute candle to close. After that, we're closing the trade for GBP USD as well. If I don't see significant improvement in our trade, right, I would rather take a small loss than a big loss. USD JPY is also currently stagnant. It's creating a lot of liquidity here, right? But I expect it to push higher, prices to push higher. Yeah, let's see oil. What is oil currently up to? That's right. Oil is accumulating as of now. Oh, good run by SPX today. So the analysis remains the same, right? I either have a closer of 5 minutes candle below the PTO, previously open, or either have a closer of 5 minutes candle above the level that I have marked, right? It's at 98.901. Either of the two, right? If either of the two conditions happen, what will happen? If it closes below the previous day open, I'm going to close all my trades, right? All my trades. In break even, in profit, in losses, I don't care. I don't want to take a big loss, right? I'm okay with small profits, small losses. If it closes above the previous, 98.900 level, 5 minutes candle, so I'm going to bring all my trades to break even and sit down. For Euro USD, one of our trades, 50% of our trades is being closed at 1.16188, right? Remaining 50 will bring the trade to break even and will hold the trade. So as of now, that's what's going on. So have a look. Any questions, any doubts, can always be asked in the comment section, right? So I'm taking a short break. Please be online. The trades are going on, right? Let me just put DXY and USD here, so you can look at the trades, right? This is our 5 minute chart. Let's do this. Right. I'll be right back. So before I go, let me inform you. Today we'll be learning a certain topic, right? Let's start with one topic, non-apps, right? While the trades are going on, right? Let's learn something as well in the meantime. So what we will do is we'll give you a fundamental updates of the overall news and macroeconomics that's going on in the current world, right? World news related to forex trading and gold trading, right? Then after that, we'll pick a topic and learn about it. I'll give you live examples. Okay, in the meantime, please hold your trades. I've given you where we are getting out of the trade, where we are sticking with our trades, right? So basically, all we have to do is look towards DXY. If a 5 minute candle closes below video, right? We close all our trades. It can be a week. We are not worried about a week, right? We just worried if a 5 minute candle closes below previously open, all our trades are closed, except on US oil trade. All our trades are closed, right? It might be break even, it might be small loss, big loss, sorry, small loss, right? Small profit, right? We're hoping for a big loss here, right? If the candle closes above, right, above 19.900 level, a 5 minute candle at 19.900 level, we'll bring our trades to break even to maybe even close half of it and then hold the trade for a longer period of time. This one I'm just taking a short break. I'll be right back. So guys, what we're still holding for and what we're still looking for is a close above 98.902, right? A 5 minute closer above 98.908. We can expect a bullish shift, right? A heavy bullish run on DXY, USD basically, right? And if it closes below 98.840, then we can close all our trades. And that is it for DXY. Now, if you're looking into Euro USD, this is our first TP, right? You can close half your positions here, right? We can close half our positions here. After that, we're gonna bring all our trades to break even and continue the run. For GBP USD, I'm looking to close the trade at break even. Right? I'm not holding my trade all the way to myself. I'm gonna look for some indication, right? Where I can close my trades, GBP USD at a break even or at a small loss. Right? If I look at USD JPY, right, the trade is going good. So now we are profitable in this trade as well. We are holding the trade for now. Let's see if any new development happens. I'm going to let you know. Go for trade only. So it all depends upon what does DXY do, right? So yeah, we have 2 minutes for 4 hour closer on DXY. It can react. It can react. Right? The next 4 hour candle can react. So we need to be careful. Right? It can react this way. Right? So we need to be careful. We need to be mindful. So this is showing a very good rejection from this level. My suggestion, guys, close one of your USD in 1:1 profit and hold the rest as of now because we're seeing a very, very good rejection. Oh, GBP USD is moving very. I'm just waiting for this candle closing. So we can still hold our USD trade, that's not a problem, right? For GBP USD, we're waiting for candle closure of this 5 minutes, right? If the candle closes below the previous day open, right, we're going to close all our trades, even if we are in small loss or small profit. Yeah, we're seeing that reaction that we want from here, right? So we are still holding our trades, as we can see a rejection here. If this 5 minute candle closes below the previous day open, we are closing all our trades. And if it holds, we're holding our trade as well. Okay, the 5 minute didn't close below. There was a rejection, a good rejection. Okay. Let's wait for the next 5 minutes candle, what it does. Any 5 minute candle, if it closes below the previous day open, we are closing all our trades. Small loss, small profit, no big losses. Okay, it's coming for a sweep. GBP USD. So we do have a Telegram channel as well, a Telegram group as well, as a community where you can join and we share your updates, regular updates about the fundamentals, the news that's happening currently in the world, as well as our analysis. If you want to join, you can scan the QR code on the left hand side of your screen, right? Or simply you can go to our bio and check our bio to join the Telegram channel. It's free. It's a free Telegram channel. Right? Okay, we still have 2 more minutes. It's kind of close. So trading is all about patience. It's how patient you are. Right? When the trade is in drawdown, right? Even when the trade is in profit, right? Once you enter the trade, all you can control is your emotions. You can't control the market. The market does what it wants to do, right? You just follow the market. You just follow what it does, right? You just look for signals. You look for some kind of confirmation from the market, right? Confirmation. I don't mean after the move is when you enter the market. We basically want to enter the market when the move is starting. Right? It's not when the move has already been made, may enter the market, right? That will be very late entries. We want to enter the market when the move has started, right? Let's hold on to our trades as of now. I'm mostly concerned about GBP USD as of now. As you know, right, between Euro and GBP is an aggressive pair. It's a very aggressive pair, right? Euro bridge top, its market moves and waves, it's doing its thing. Now we have 50 seconds, 49 seconds to go. If this candle closes here, we're closing all our trades, right? If it doesn't close below the PDO, right, previous day open, we are already closed. Market didn't close, so we're still holding to our trades, right? And the doorbell that rang, right? We just got some snacks from our neighbors. Like we got some momos. So I'm going on mute. I'm just going to enjoy my snack. Then let's hold. If the market closes below the previous day open, we're closing all our trades, right?
पहुंच गए क्लोज
So we're closing all our positions. Right? As I told you, small loss. Almost 1:1. GBP USD we took a loss. Right? GBP, sorry, GBP USD took a loss. USD JPY, yeah, a small profit. Right? So this is how it goes, right? You have to manage your trades. Now, if I see another opportunity, we might take a trade.
could be bigger जैसे बंदियाजी फिर रहा है सारा देखो तो इसको देख
Now, if and only if the market closes above this, we can look for some opportunity. So if I show you our overall statement of the day, so today we are up. Sorry, that's not the one. So today, if you see, we are over around $3,756, right? Yeah. So we closed a few on breakeven, closed a few on 1:1, closed at 1:2, right? Overall, we are up by $3,356 today. So if we see any other opportunity, I'll put it back to you. So we paid some heavy commission as well.
686
686 as commission. That's huge, right? So it's overall a good day for us, right? I'll continue this trade if I find something that is tradable. We'll take a trade. Right? As you can see here, right? We closed as soon as the candle closed in video, right? Below video, right? Previous day open, right? because we are not sure from here if the market is really gonna step up its game. Right? If DXY is gonna move, become bullish, right? So you take a safe bet. Right? You take the market as it comes. You can't force market into doing things. Right? I can't force market from here to move higher. Right? I can't force market from here to come. But what I can do is if I saw a very good level that market crossed, gave a closer, and the bias for me currently is that market goes bearish. Right? So that was my analysis. So whatever trades that I was on, right, I closed my trades. Now, if another opportunity comes in, we're gonna grab that opportunity. Nothing more, nothing less. Right? So fine. So let's gold for a minute. गोल्ड को देखते हैं क्या कर रहा है. We call this beautiful 1:2 gold. Gold is still bullish. Whatever you say, whatever this move was, gold is still bullish. And we took a loss in GBP USD. That's fine with me. It was a small loss. USD JPY we took some profit. And as you know, Euro USD we closed one position here, right? Half position we closed. Our trade was closed half here, right? And the remaining half we closed it here, right? It was very good profit. We closed the trade one half at 1.71 and half we closed here. Let's see if we can catch another trade. We hold it, we wait for it. So let's see if our decision to close the trade. The decision to close the trade. The candle goes below the previous day open was correct or not, right? So if we see Bitcoin here, right? Sorry, I was in mute. I don't know what happened. I was in mute. Right. So what I was trying to say is, you see this move in Bitcoin, right? It dropped from 126 to 103, 102, right? It was like, oh my god. We heard the news, right? There was a trader from Ukraine, right? Who was a very successful trader. This drop killed him. Right? This drop killed him. Right? So there was a lot of hype in XRP as well recently, right? People were buying XRP again. And guess what? We had bought in the XRP high too, right? We thought it, but we got it pretty soon, right? And we got out maybe like last month, end of last month, right? Maybe somewhere here we got out. Right? If this would have happened to us, our portfolio would have been totally well. Right? But yeah, there was a bounce back, right? But for that period of time, it would have been hellish. Right? So what is happening right now is Mr. Trump, famous president of USA, Mr. Donald Trump, is affecting the market as I've never seen before. Right? The effect that he has on the market is like unprecedented. एक ट्वीट करता है बंदा और मार्केट चला देता है और वही ट्वीट बैक कर देता है फिर से एक चीज बोलता है मार्केट ऊपर नीचे होता है उसके बाद वही चीज को बैक ले लेता है जैसे चाइना का टैरिफ का सिचुएशन क्या हुआ 100% टैरिफ नो मीटिंग राइट बाद में क्या हुआ फिर से नेक्स्ट 2 दिन बाद 1 दिन बाद फिर ट्वीट कर रहा है चाइना का अच्छा रिलेशन है इधर उधर ही इज मूविंग द मार्केट लाइक एनीथिंग लास्ट ईयर तक फॉरेक्स कैलेंडर में there was nowhere जो बाइडेन का स्पीच चल रहा है उससे पहले ओबामा का चल रहा है किसी का चल रहा है market didn't care right because the decisions made were calculative decisions not rash decisions or spur of the moment decisions calculative decisions अभी क्या चल रहा है कुछ दिमाग में आया कुछ इसमें आया ट्वीट डाल दिया मार्केट मूव इतने आदमी कैसे इन्वेस्ट करेगा कैसे ट्रेड करेगा बहुत भयानक सिचुएशन बना के रख दिया है अभी तो फॉरेक्स के बारे में ट्रम्प अंकल बात करते हैं तो फिर चौकन्ना रहना पड़ता है ओके takes us nowhere now fun I'm only interested in the market. Those are about to say. See what happens. Okay, so guys, I think we are done for today, right? We got good trades, a few trades, and the profits. I'm not interested anymore. Okay, so have a wonderful day. So we have news tomorrow. We'll do a news session tomorrow. Right? Okay. Thank you. Good night. See you tomorrow at the same time.